Let's learn how to add a 1-minute video to Instagram stories without splitting it. If you don't want your video to be divided into 15-second segments and you don't know how to change that, you don't have to worry anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is update Instagram. You can do this by opening the App Store. Once the App Store opens, you need to click on the search option located at the bottom right corner. After clicking on search, type in Instagram. Once you type it in, a page with Instagram will open. If it says Open next to Instagram, then it's already updated, but if it says Update, click on that and wait a bit. Once it's updated, open Instagram by clicking the Open button. When Instagram opens, make sure you are logged into the correct account. Once you are sure, swipe the page to the right. After swiping, a page with your videos and pictures will open. On that page, find the video you want to add to your story and click on it. After clicking, you will see that you can choose how long you want to add. You can select a maximum of 1 minute. Choose the duration you want and click on the Done option located in the top right corner, and that's it. You have successfully added a 1-minute video to your story. So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.